Good morning, everyone. This is Thomas with Sonoma Hot Tubs and Pool Supplies. Congratulations on getting a new hot tub. This is a basic chemical orientation which will describe for you what you get with your new hot tub. So in the back, we have a 5-gallon bucket that will house all of the basic chemicals you receive. And the chemical bucket also can be used to soak your filter overnight in solution to get out oils and grease and lotions and things of that nature if you need to do that. Next would be the laminated instructions that has startup procedures, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly instructions. And on the back of it are troubleshooting instructions. So it's laminated so that when it's around water, it'll never get wet, so you don't have to throw it out. Now, to the left is going to be just a basic measuring cup. Most of the time you're going to use a 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of one of these products in the water. Next is the 4-way test strip that tests for chlorine, free chlorine that is, pH, alkalinity, and calcium. The next 3 bottles are for protecting your hot tub's equipment. So you have a pH decreaser, a pH increaser, and a calcium hardness. So if the pH is low, then you're going to add some increaser, and vice versa. If it's too high, you're going to add some decreaser. Your perfect level is between 7.2 and 7.6. You're better to be a little bit on the high side than on the low side. Calcium, we like somewhere around 150 parts per million, and that should satisfy the water from attacking any metal components in the hot tub. The next one is going to be the oxidizer. This is a non-chlorine oxidizer, and preferably you use 1 ounce of this or 1/2 ounce after each use. And then you can also combine that on a weekly basis with the chlorinating concentrate, which is the small blue bottle on the right. So once a week you can add approximately 1 ounce of chlorine to the water, and anytime the water gets cloudy, you will add chlorine. And anytime you add that blue top chlorine bottle, you will also add the orange top non-chlorine oxidizer at the same time. And the reason you want to do that is because chlorine is first an oxidizer and then a sanitizer second. So if you only put in chlorine and no oxidizer, then it may just use up all of its chemical process in oxidizing things like oils, lotions, cosmetics, deodorants, detergents out of the water and leaving nothing left behind to kill potential bacteria or viruses. So it's very important that you will use the oxidizer anytime you are using the chlorine concentrate. And you always want a granulated chlorine, never a tablet form of chlorine. So that's all the basics right there. Once a week with the chlorine, pH testing and calcium testing every couple of weeks is fine. And do not use bathing suits or pre-rinse your bathing suits prior to going in. Get everything off your body, get the detergents out of the bathing suits. Otherwise you will get a big bubble bath. It'll cause cloudy water. You will have to get more chemicals, and that's just more money. All right, enjoy. Call us if you have any questions. SonomaHotTubs.com.